RIME stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I was absolutely correct on Algorhythm Holdings stock call out here. Here's the proof of me calling it out beforehand. There was a plus 4R win. Boom, at the time I was sitting at 16. And then from 16 cents came back to 4. That's, bro, that's so crazy. We just pretty much divided it by 6. I'm just kidding. But yeah, like now we have these new all-time lows. The likelihood that the price continues to give me new lows is crazy, and it's not just now that I begin being bearish on RIME. I mean, I've seen this way back then, you know. I can tell what's gonna happen next. Now that sounds arrogant. I'm just sticking to my edge that I've refined for 4 years, and just doing this every single day for 4 years and spending thousands on courses, mentors. Takes a tool, and then you will learn stuff, you know. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.